We all want to look good this summer, so here I am showing you my tips and tricks for the extreme summer glow up. When it comes to summer, everyone is literally imagining like sitting on a beach, tanning, but hey, not everyone has the ability to go to the beach. For example, where I live, we don't have beaches at all. We need to take a flight if we want to lay on a beach. So the most important tip for this summer is to buy self tan. This thing is literally amazing. It will make your skin glowy and that perfect bronze color that we all want. You would look like you're sun-kissed or that you literally been on a luxury vacation just by putting this self-tanner on. This one is my favorite brand because I don't have like a dark patches on my skin. Maybe it's a technique, maybe it's the product, who knows, but it works amazingly. The second tip would be a teeth glow up. If you have like a yellowish tone on your teeth, go to your dentist and ask for teeth whitening. Or you can also use whitening strips, but I only can recommend these Crest whitening strips because I saw the biggest results while using these. Yeah, but I'm not a dentist. Don't take advice from me. If you want to get your teeth professionally whitened, definitely go and check out your dental office. But I believe these dental strips are very much popular and everyone is using them and they're all seeing amazing results. So yeah, I just said what I said, but do your own research first. Third tip would be to use fun hair accessories. Like summer is all about fun hairstyles that you can create easily at home. Nowadays, you can find so many beautiful hair clips, like it's absolutely incredible. I have a bunch of them and I love them, and I would even buy more of them because I want them in every single color to match my outfits because summer is all about colors. At least it is for me. I want my hair to be very cute with aesthetic accessories and of course to match my outfit, because what's the point of wearing a hairstyle with the beautiful accessories, right? These are my favorite accessories that I just can't live without, and you can find them literally anywhere because they're so popular. Let's move on to the makeup category because that might be probably my most favorite one. If you want to glow up for summer, you need blush. You need blush. I don't care what you're saying because so many people are not using blush. It's not like 2010 anymore. Blush is important, you know? It's so freaking important. Like, you don't need even expensive blushes, you know? You can buy whatever blush you want. You can test it out for yourself and maybe it will be your favorite blush. Here are my favorite blushes and highlighters that I use almost every single day. Well, at least in days where I wear makeup. These blushes are so freaking cute, and the best part about blushes is that you can change them over time. You can change the colors of the blushes because I was using red blushes for very long time, and now I switched to light pink, and I don't know, pink is kind of growing on me. So yeah, you can test them out, you can see which one you like better. And the same thing applies to highlighters because there are so many different colors of the highlighters. They can have golden tones or silver tones or all those crazy like green and bluish undertones, which is like so crazy but so fun to wear during summer. Like, it's perfect. Also, when it comes to makeup in the summer, I usually prefer light makeup. You don't need like a shit ton of makeup in the summer, like trust me, because you would look very cakey at the end of the day. In the summer, we sweat a lot. There's lots of going on, right? And you don't want your makeup to look cakey, to look wrinkly and all of that stuff. That's not really good. Instead of that, use very light foundation, and if you have blemishes on your skin, just simply use concealer and that's it. A lot of foundation in the summer is not very optimal. Instead of that, try to use minimal foundation and more of a blushes, highlighters and all of that kind of stuff. What is summer without lip glosses, right? Because like lip glosses make everything way better, and I love lip glosses so much. And take it from me because I was the biggest hater, like literally. I hated the feeling, I hated everything about them, so I stick to traditional lipsticks. But until I realized that lip glosses are like way better. They can make your lips more plumpier and more juicy, and I don't know, there's something so special about that. It makes you look like you have maybe a little small lip filler. And we're gonna finish with my favorite summer glow up tip, and it is a summer scent with sparkles. Yeah, in the summer we all want to look like Edward. Hell yeah. Like, isn't it the most gorgeous thing when the sun is shining and your skin is full of sparkles? Like, oh my god. To me, it is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, and yeah, it's the perfect summer skin to me. All you have to do is find a scent, your favorite scent, with sparkles. Or you can literally mix in sparkles as well, but like, do your research before you do that. Do your research. I found this beautiful scent. It is a body spray, I believe, and it has the most gorgeous sparkles, and everyone is going to compliment how you smell. So that's amazing. These were my summer glow up tips. They will make you like completely different person. You would feel more happy and more confident being in your skin, and you will be shining this summer. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.